Hi there, I'm Chef Taylor, executive chef and owner of Sushi Kuro, located here inside of Zeppelin Station. Just want to say thank you all so much for taking home our take-home sushi kit, or you stumbled upon it on a YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. And today I'm going to show you how to roll and cut a Futomaki 6-piece. Step one on rolling our Futomaki 6-piece is going to be getting your rice into a ball, of course, starting to break it out on the mat itself. From there, you're gonna go ahead and start layering in your ingredients. I like to say 3 to 4 pieces, including fish, per roll. Once you have that, we're gonna start the rolling process. And all you're gonna do from there is take that bottom lip of that roll, bring it up and over those ingredients, make sure everything's nice and tucked in. Using that bamboo mat, we're just gonna keep rolling. Try not to roll the bamboo mat inside the roll, but we're gonna keep rolling, and then we're gonna pull back, and you should see this little sushi burrito just for you. Now to cut the Futomaki roll, you're gonna start with bringing that knife all the way to the base, finding your cut. We're gonna cut off the left and the right side first. Find your cut. We're gonna go ahead, start at the base, bring it to the top, and then shoot it all the way through. The most important part with the Japanese knives is that you do one straight cut, opposed to having that rocking sensation that we're used to here in the West. And then you're gonna take it all the way down 6 pieces, put it together.